So hi, for now, let's talk about Dropbox. So what's the purpose of Dropbox? So this is used to save your files, to save your backup, just in case you don't want your files to eat up your computer's storage. What's good with Dropbox is that you can sync it in your computer or in your laptop, so you can still access the files even if you're offline. So if you'll tell me, so hey, will it still eat up my computer storage? The answer to that is no, because everything is saved online. We're just syncing it offline. So relatively, it doesn't eat up or consume anything inside your computer. So in order for you to create an account in Dropbox, and by the way, so this is also used when sharing files real time. So this also works like Google Drive. I know you're familiar with Google Drive. So in order for you to create an account, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Okay, so when you are logged in using your email, this is how it looks like. So if you go to home, you will be able to see the files that you have added recently. Okay, and then the shared ones. Okay, mga gipang share sa imuha, so it should appear there. So I think I've used this Dropbox before when I was still working with a computer college, because they hired me before for their IT students OJT. So yes, I'm their teacher, so I use this Dropbox account to share it to them. Okay, so homes, and then you can also create folders. Sorry. You can create new files. If you click on that, you can basically create a Word document, an Excel workbook, a PowerPoint presentation, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and so you can click on that. You can use Dropbox for that without eating your computer storage. And then if you also have files to upload, you can just click on upload file, and if you have an entire folder to upload, you can just click create upload folder, so you can upload everything. And then if you wanted to create a new folder, say for example I wanted to create a new for a virtual assistant enhancement program, then you click on create and it should appear there. Okay, Dropbox, and it should appear there. So the first thing that you will see in your Dropbox file are the folders, and then mga files, and then so if you wanted to share it to someone, you can basically click on share. Then you type the email of the person that you wanted to share the folder with, and then you can also download. You can download the entire folder and it should be downloaded. But I think there's no need for you to do it if using your Dropbox in your computer. Okay, so if you click on a certain folder, you can upload files, upload a subfolder, or you can even create a new file in there. So, and then you can also see the deleted files that you have done, so you can restore it. Okay, you just need to choose. So you have up to 30 days to restore deleted files. Say for example, you accidentally deleted a file and you cannot recover it anymore. But good thing there's Dropbox, which allows you, actually our computer also allows that. It automatically goes into our recycle bin, but we can basically restore it. So the main purpose of Dropbox is that it is used for sharing files instantly just by clicking on the file, clicking on share, and sending it on the email of the recipient. Then basically we can already share the file. Also, the very main reason why this exists is the fact that it helps in keeping your computer storage clean, fresh, and free from files, because chances are if our computer is full of files, eventually mag-hang na siya, mag-lag na siya. So it affects our performance. So that is why Dropbox exists. So there are instances that your client will share a Dropbox. I will share a file through Dropbox, or even send out instructions through Dropbox by creating a Word document there and then share it with you instantly. So it's very important that you have this because it's essential, and I must say that's very helpful in keeping your computer storage free from a lot of files. Okay, so I want you to create an account in Dropbox. I'll also include it in Trello. I'll put the instruction there. So you can go ahead and create, and then we'll be able to share files because, as you remember, we'll be creating a freelancing toolkit that you can use as a guide. So basically, I will be uploading it through Dropbox. I need you to have an account on this so I can share it with you through an email. I think this will be all for Dropbox. That is how it works. Very simple, very easy. I hope you enjoy our video tutorial. See you in the next video.